What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the video. The topic of today's video is my AMD trade, guys. I'm going to be going over my live trade. When this trade did happen, I was at work, so unfortunately I was not able to record it, but I will go over it and show my live thought process. It was my AMD trade of today. But if you're not from my channel, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Daily videos, my video number 2 for today. I have cryptocurrency videos playlist, over 200 videos of very, very good and knowledgeable, entertainment and educational videos, as well as my day trading live playlist, guys. A lot of good videos on that playlist as well. Let's get right into the topic of the video. Right here on the left side, we have SPY, guys. The S&P 500 is basically the stock market. It's one share in the top 500 companies in the United States. And if we look right here, guys, a couple days ago, I zoomed all the way out. As we've seen, huge red, huge red, huge red, and then bam, support right here. This candle acted as a reversal. As you can see, it's very even, and then followed by a higher low, higher low, higher low, which made me say this is support right here, guys. It's very, very bullish. And hopefully, if I combine this right here, this support with this huge green to the chart over here on the right, guys, which is actually AMD's chart. Let's zoom all the way out. See, I was looking at it. Let's zoom all the way out. All right, let's look at this, guys. As you're seeing right over here, guys, this actually acted as support, and it did act as a reversal as well. So you see higher low, higher low, higher low. So what happened was a couple of days ago, what happened, see these little white lines is pre-market after hours. So when we look at this, right, I combined the confirmation right here with the stock market, the previous support, the very, very bullish momentum, and the reversal right here as support. When the stock market opened up and I seen that wick shortening up, that's a very good sign, guys. That's very bullish. That's very good momentum. It is normally a reversal. So if I combine this right here today, guys, as you see, very, very red, 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 support, support, red, 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 support. So I'm saying once it gets under this line, it's a really good time to buy. This, in my opinion, is oversold. So right about here is about average time to buy a good support, and it does go up. On average, I see huge support, and then again support basically near this. It's not perfect, but near this line, it's very big support. So as we've seen today, pre-market, it was looking pretty good the day before. Bam, huge drop, just very similar to this, huge drop. And then I said, what do? I seen that it was forming a reversal. Hopefully here, you seen a little wick, and then I seen green. Another, I was kind of green, higher low. So I said right at open, guys, right around 39.08. So right about literally here, right here, I seen the wick was shortening up. I said, let me go long. And then when I did, guys, I waited till I was up. I did not sell. I said, this is just a pullback, just a pullback. And if anything, people are looking to just go in long at this, which is exactly what ended up happening. So I'm very happy I called it before it happened. But then I said, guys, hold, did not sell. I said, support, bam. And the bottom of this, I did end up selling. So I did make a pretty good profit. But as I'm talking, hopefully pictures on the screen are showing up now. And you can see, guys, I did actually buy the confirmation. I don't want to show you how many shares or actually what time I sold, but as you see, it is confirmed. I am using Webull because I'm at work and I cannot use TradeZero on my actual home Mac or my MacBook Pro, so I really just had to use it on my phone. And TradeZero unfortunately doesn't have a Mac version, so I have to literally use the Google window tab, online tab for my TradeZero, but it does have the best shorts possible and good leverage. So for the time being, I was using my options / just regular equities account, which happens to be Webull, because I also get referrals, and also it's way better in my opinion than Robinhood. But that's another story. So I was using Webull. As you see, it is a trade confirmation. I did go in long at 39.08, and then bam, I ended up just, if you can see the chart, it went crazy. It just kept going up like crazy. And then once I seen this huge pullback, I said it's time to get out, and I'm really, really happy I did it, because it just kept going lower, lower, fake out, and then huge lower. So if I zoom out, I did end up playing it right, because it didn't go up until after hours. But again, guys, I will probably go in tomorrow. I did buy a little bit after hours, not a lot. So I am up currently a little bit, under $100, nothing big. But as you've seen, I posted my trade yesterday. That was a huge back-to-back win. We're 3 days strong. I can do this every single day of the week, guys. I'm trading good consistently. Last decade, almost 100% profit. I have had big losses, guys, $2,000 losses, but I did make them back at the end of the month, or the end of the year. So I haven't went 1 year being negative. And like I said, guys, if you like this type of videos, if you like cryptocurrency, if you like stocks, if you like investing, check out my channel. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Daily videos. And I used to do stocks and crypto, and I just mainly started doing crypto, but I want to mix it up, guys. I want to post 3 stocks and 4 crypto videos a week, so maybe a middle. Hopefully, guys, you guys like this video. Hopefully you like the cryptocurrency videos playlist. Like I said, 200 videos. Check out my day trading live playlist, my review on TradeZero. That's about it, guys. Peace.